Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how to use the Brush Ninja for creating a GIF. So what you're going to do is basically draw. So if you're really good at drawing, you are going to love this one. And you are going to create stills, like picture by picture. So let's say I have a person, I create. It's really fun. So now I'm going to go and do a new frame. Now what you can do is duplicate this frame. So maybe I'm going to duplicate it. So now I have two people. And now I'm going to pick a different color and I'm going to put something in his hand. So maybe he's got an ice cream cone and there you go. And then I duplicate it again. So every time I duplicate it, I'm going to have something else. So it's starting to drip. And then I'm going to duplicate it. And then you can use all of these tools. So you can see that this is a pencil. You can put shapes. You can actually put lines and text. And here's an eraser. So with the eraser, I'm going to erase these and erase this because what's going to happen, obviously, you can probably tell. I'm going to go back to my drawing. And here's a big floppy thing of ice cream. And it's going to drip and drip. It's going to drip. And then I'm going to go back and erase his like lovely smile because I don't think he'd be super happy about him losing his ice cream. So we'll try this again. And oh no. And then I'm going to duplicate it again. And let's go back to the eraser. Wrong thing. And I'm going to go to my little thing, very sad, and big splotch here. Okay, so he's not really happy. So once you have it, you are going to click save. And once you click save, you can watch what it says. So you've just created a GIF. So I'm going to hit stop. Once you're done, you're going to hit export and animated GIF and hit export. And it's going to do all of its work for you. And then I'm going to hit save and put it right into my downloads folder, which if I were to click on it, it will work. So I'm going to just try this out. I'm going to just grab this one. And if I put it on here, you will see I have my animated thing from Brush Ninja. If you're an artist, you will love this. Obviously, I have super talent here. But otherwise, have fun with Brush Ninja. Can't wait to see what you guys create. Have a great day.